It's leaking.
So even after replacing this, it's still doing that overflow. And I know it's a washer somewhere under this, and I checked that, and it's still leaking. So it's either I have a defective one or something's going on. So I end up buying a better version of that, apparently, and we'll just see if this does the job. So everything is back together with the new one on. Let's hope that this one doesn't fail like this one did, even though it was brand new. Let me turn the water on. So it's about 2 hours later. I want to check on it, see if it's about the same level. And here we are. It looks like it didn't move. So yeah, I guess I had a faulty one. Too bad I don't have the receipt. I would have returned it. But whatever. It's working.